How to fix Snapchat Cameos if not showing up. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix Snapchat Cameos if not showing up. So if you're unable to see the Cameos or it's not showing up, then you need to follow the steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is go to the Snapchat, and then you want to go ahead and click the Bitmoji icon from the top right, then go to the gear icon, and here you want to go to Cameos. When you go to it, so when you go to this page, you want to scroll down a bit and you want to go to cache. So go to clear cache and then click on continue, after which you also need to go ahead and long press to your Snapchat application, after which you want to go to app info section, and here you want to go to storage and cache, and once again from here as well you want to go ahead and clear your data as well as cache. After which you could also try reinstalling the Snapchat application. This should be able to fix it. After which you could also try for stopping the Snapchat app to fix the Cameos not working, and you could also try rebooting your device. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix your Snapchat Cameos if not showing up. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.